for this tutorial, we'll be doing a chain stitch of 10. I'll be using a nice thick yarn and a 5mm hook. Now we'll be doing a chain stitch of 10. We yarn over, and then holding the little ball end, I hold the tail, but yeah, holding just underneath that knot, we pull the yarn we just yarned over through that loop on the hook, and that is our first chain stitch. Show you that again. So now we yarn over and we pull that loop, pull the loop we just yarned over through the loop on the hook, and that is our first stitch. So again, yarn over, and then we pull through the loop we just yarned over through the loop on the hook, and that's 2. So yarn over, pulling the loop through the loop on the hook, that's 3. So that's 3 chains. Yarn over, pull through the loop on the hook, that's 4. Yarn over, pull through the loop on the hook, that's 5. So I'll bring it up a bit closer. Yarn over, pull through the loop on the hook, that's 6. Yarn over, pull through the loop on the hook, 7. Yarn over, pull through the loop on the hook, 8. Yarn over, pull through the loop on the hook, 9. Yarn over and pull through the loop on the hook, that's 10. So now we have a chain 10. So yeah, I hope you liked this tutorial on how to do a chain up of 10. Thanks for stopping in, as always, and please like and subscribe. Bye!